Focusing friendly.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy to see you.
Happy to see you too.
How are you this morning?
I'm very fine, and you?
Also fine. Thanks for your asking. By the way, I wanna know something about watching television. Why do people watch television?
Thanks for asking. Actually, there are many reasons why people watch television. First of all, people watch television to know about the world. Secondly, people watch television to take news about sports and news. And thirdly, people watch television as knowing new ideas and gathering new ideas from the television. And finally, people watch television to enjoy themselves and enjoy their life.
I'm fine. Thank you.